In this video, we are flipping through the new winter sticker book from LiveLovePosh. Hello, I'm Katie. Welcome to the Planner channel. Subscribe to watch new planning videos every week. So here's the deal. I have been trying not to buy all the things, but I bought one more. This sticker book is so cute, and I love to decorate for the month of December with all like holiday and Christmas stickers in my planner, and I do a different color each week, so I'm gonna need 4 weeks of colors of Christmas stickers. Little thank you card from Jessica, and here is her Winter Wonderland sticker book. Let's flip. So we have white paper floral stickers and snowflakes, Christmas decorations in like pastel Christmas colors, really cute. More pastel holly and florals. These are white paper stickers. Ooh, look how pretty these are. Super pretty. Oh, look at those fuzzy slippers. Look at those Christmas cookies and pine cones and candles and pillow. Joy. I like the different color themes for holiday stickers. Warm wishes. Ooh, I like this one a lot. Hello, winter. Yeah, I love the holly flowers. Some florals. Some more of those cute pastels. More florals. Oh my gosh, I love these. Look at these ornaments. Those are adorable. My Christmas tree ornaments are all ponies. Fa la 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 la. Ooh, more holly. I love holly, and I love the red and pink together. Look at this. Oh my gosh. This is gonna look so good with my Simply Gilded washi this month is pink plaid. Yes, it's gonna go really good. More holly. I like these muted colors. These are pretty. I love hot cocoa. I love mint. Yeah, I love sweet treats. Ooh, I like these colors together too, the red and teal. Love. Here's our Happy New Year. Happy New Year. I guess some florals to go with our Happy New Year. Yeah, those match. Valentine's florals. Valentine stickers. And a holiday. December, January, February. And words. Holiday bucket list. I love it. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.